You can know when I go to Washington, it will not be to tinker with the Washington machine, but to dismantle it. I have not worked one day in Washington. I am not invested in that crony culture. I will not be co-opted because I will not take my orders from K Street or Wall Street. I'll take my orders from Main Street. When I go to Washington, I will declare war on government spending. Runaway agencies will be reined in because their funding will be cut. My first day in office, I will freeze all pending federal regulations and begin the process of repealing every Obama-era regulation that costs and kills jobs. See, today,